blindfolded. And here's all of our ingredients. And then let's get started. And before we jump into this video, make sure you subscribe down below. So let's get started. Alright. We have our containers. Let's put our blindfolds on. Alright, but we have to pick the glitter too. Okay, ready? No cheating. Yeah. Ready? Go. Wait. Okay, now I can't see. Can you see? I'll use the glue first. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm adding it in. I can't see. Make sure you're adding to your bowl. I know. Wait, I can see, so I'm just going to put this one more. I'm scared. No cheating. Did you put it in? Not yet. I'm about to. Are you cheating? No. Okay, hold on. I can see a little. Okay. I'm going to add it in its own. Okay, ready? That's my bowl. That's my bowl. What are you doing? That's my bowl. That's my bowl. Right there. Okay, go. Oh, perfect. Wait. Don't go in my hands and adjust it. No. Don't know if it's going. Okay, that's good. It is. How do you know? Are you seeing? Are you looking? No. Where's my container? No, don't cheat. I'm not cheating. I feel like you're cheating. Wait, can you hold my container? Is this mine? No, that's mine. Okay, next we'll be adding shaving cream, which this is not shaving cream. Wait, it's shaving cream. It's shaving cream. Oh my god. Do you have food coloring? No. Oh, scooch it. I don't know which way it will be. Okay, got this way. Yeah, I can't pour it. Is that good? I don't know. Yeah, that's a lot, I think. Okay, that's probably good. Wait, where's the cat? I don't care. Where's the shaving cream? I'm using it. Hold on. I'm making it extra fluffy. Okay. I don't know how much I use, but. Okay, here you go. I added lotion. Where? Okay. What? Oh, what? Okay, that should be good. Okay, I can see someone putting this down more. Are you peeking? What? What? Okay, let's look. Just look. I didn't even dry it. I just poured it everywhere. You can just put it in the bowl. Oh my god! Okay, I'm just adding a little more shaving cream. Okay, let's wash my hands. Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay. Wait, I still. Okay, put your blindfold back on. Okay. Okay, not yet though. Were you peeking? No, I was trying to squirt and it squirted all there. Okay, now I can see. Where's my spoon? Okay. Oh. Did you put your blindfold on? Hey, you put your blindfold on. No, because I need to see. Okay. I don't know what this is. It's no peeking behind. No peeking under your blindfold. You put it on me. Okay. Okay, is this solution? I smelled it. Oh my god. Oh, I smelled it. The shaving cream got on me. Hold on, I can see. What is this? Okay, where is it? I think okay, actually no cheating for now. No, I'm not. I wasn't. I think I put more lotion in it. What is this? Oh, that's fluffy. Oh shoot. Where's the contact? Where's the contact solution? Where's the contact solution? Contact solution. Ow. I hope this is contact solution. Okay, I'm adding it in, I think. I got to mix. Now I'm mixing. Okay, nice. Oh, I forgot to add the glitter. I'll just add it in last. What if mine's not activated? What if it's sticky? What? Are you looking?
No. I have a bad feeling.
So do I.
Wait, mine's actually turning into slime. So I need more
So
activator.
is mine. Mine's getting thick. Oh, mine's good. Is this contact solution? Or is this shaving cream? Oh, it's contact. Wait, no. Contact solution? Oh my goodness, it's so sticky. Did you play with it? What? Okay, can I have it now? Your thing? Your
What
contact?
thing?
Are you using contact solution?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh my gosh, stop. Oh.
Where is this?
We're gonna make a mess. Probably. Oh my gosh, I felt yours. Oh no, wait, overactivated it, I think. Really? My ear itches. I just got slime in my hair, I think. Open it up. Where's my spoon? What? Where's my spoon? Where'd you put it? I didn't put it anywhere. There it is. Okay, shall we peek a little more?
No.
Okay. I need more shaving cream. Oh, legit. Oh my god. It got all over. Okay, where's this? Is this a shaving cream? Please. That was a lot. If it got on my shirt, I'll be so mad. What? What? Where's the activator? Are you peeking? No. Where's that? Okay, there it is. Stop! You got it in your mind. Oh. Oh gosh. Where's the... There it is. Wait, what is that? What? Oh my gosh, what is it? Oh, that's freaking... Where is the thing? There it is. Where's what? I'm so confused. Mine might be thick because I think I overactivated it. I feel like we're making a mess. Where's the glitter? No. Where's the glitter? I don't know. It's probably by the glue or something. Alright, I'm just... Oh gosh, mine's sticky. No.
Am I in the camera?
I don't know. I want to pull mine down because I can see just a tiny. Okay, no, I can't. Which color did you add? I feel like you added like a... What is this color? Okay. Did you just spill freaking activator on me? Oh, no.
Oh, I seriously.
Am I doing good, guys?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
Did my bowl fall in the sink? I think it did. Okay, that's good. This is good already? Yeah, mine's activated. Okay, good.
Add some more.
Where's the activator? I don't know. It's probably by me. Because I like to add everything. What is that hardness in my slime? Stop. What are you doing? I can't see. Okay. Oh my God. Once you're done, you can look. Okay. Don't look just yet. Ew, mine is ugly. Is mine good? I don't know.
Whoa,
What
mine
did you add in, Emily? What? What? We made a huge mess. Oh God. I'm done with mine. There's slime in my hair, my beautiful hair. I just used a whole container of glitter. Oh, look at that. You added green in mine.
No, I didn't.
Oh, I used a whole container of glitter, guys. No. Dang it. It reminds me of mint gum, though. That's pretty.
You think?
No, you can add more. No, you can do whatever you want now. The top came open.
Yeah, because you're not supposed to pop it off. You're supposed to do it out of the...
Yeah, because this is what I did. And the thing popped open. It's fine, you can always get more. What the heck is in my red... Is that red stuff? I got it, it's fine. Alright, I need to add more activator. Were you peeking? We'll watch the video to see if anyone was peeking.
Did you? One time, I think a couple 10 times.
Really, I didn't peek many times. I peeked once.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get in trouble. Alright, we're gonna throw this away. Okay. Oh no, no! Mine?
No, Emily.
No! It's on my arm.
Emily. Really?
There's some dripping out.
I got it. I'm making mine extra fluffy, so.
Oh, you almost added mine into yours.
Yeah, I saw. I was like, Emily.
What? There's some in your mouth.
You should. I'm making mine definitely like extra. They're really fluffy.
Mine looks like peppermint. Like the gum. Like
Mine
the green
looks
gum.
like things are in here. Yeah, no more.
Okay, no more shaving cream.
Wait. That's good.
I like mine.
Okay, so this is my. Wait, can I just use one more squirt, please? You know you can always get more.
I know.
Please, I just need to.
There's some on
more.
the table.
That's not a lot. Please, just one more squirt.
No.
You can give that how much I will need.
No.
It's not going to be that lot. Okay, so this is my slime, guys.
This is my
It's
slime.
really nice.
Mine's looking. The crunch.
I just wish mine was really fluffy. Alright, we should now watch the video.
We're gonna do the 3 a.m. challenge.
Seriously? For what, slime?
No.
I was gonna say.
We already made some. For like we have to stay up. Okay, clean it up over
3
there.
a.m., that's all. Stay up till like 4 o'clock in the morning. We should stay up till like 4 or like 4:30. Look at this nice slime. That needs more shaving cream.
If you use more shaving cream, you have to give it to me.
Yeah. No, that wouldn't be fair. Wait. Hold on, let me feel yours.
No, you're gonna take it.
No, we should add it together. I'll add more. Why? Why? Because you have more than me. I'm just feeling it. Yours is way more fluffy than mine. So can I just add more? You can get it from the Dollar Tree.
I know.
So you can spend $2 at the Dollar Tree getting shaving cream. Okay. Unless you get a big one like that. No idea what you got. But what, seriously, I need more sugar.
What did you just do?
It's peeing. No! Stop! I need more anyway. Okay, no more. No, stop. Stop, that's it. Emily, I just got this shirt.
I just got this shirt. Totally from 5 months ago.
No, seriously, I just got this 2 days ago. Emily.
I just got this new wig. Wait, what, did I say that on camera?
What, wig?
I just got my new wig. It's gonna come off. You just got slime in my wig.
She's joking.
No, I'm not. This is a brand new wig. It's literally $3,000.
Yeah, sure, your parents would always get that money. Like, they would spend that much on that. Like, that's... Okay, let's watch the video now.
Hold up. Thanks for watching this, guys. And before we leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment!
Drop a like.
Drop, dance, and yeah. Alright. Bye, guys.